रांची के जेसीआई कार्यालय में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस मनाया गया, जिसका थीम चूज टू चैलेंज रखा गया। जेसीआई, जिसे जिसीश के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, इस कार्यक्रम की मुख्य अतिथि राष्ट्रपति द्वारा सम्मानित नारी शक्ति अवार्ड से डॉक्टर भारती कश्यप थीं। महिला दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर उन्होंने 2 जरूरतमंद युवतियों को फूड स्टॉल भेंट किया। डॉक्टर भारती कश्यप ने पूरे कार्यक्रम के दौरान समाज सेवा और नारी शक्ति को ध्यान में रखकर अपनी उपलब्धियों को लोगों तक पहुंचाया और उनसे आग्रह किया कि वो भी समाज की उन्नति और सेवा के लिए आगे बढ़ें।
इस साल का विमेंस डे स्पेशल है बिकॉज इसमें चूज टू चैलेंज थीम है, क्योंकि हम किसी भी समस्या को, चैलेंज को स्वीकार करते हैं सफलतापूर्वक, तभी हम एक बदलाव ला सकते हैं। तो चुनौतियों का सफलतापूर्वक सामना करना ही प्रगति का मूल मंत्र है। और इसके लिए मैं कुछ टिप्स देना चाहूँगी, जैसे हिचकिचाएं नहीं। चाहे आपको कोई नया बिजनेस आइडिया लॉन्च करना हो या छोटी सी कोई बच्ची है जिसे क्लासरूम में कुछ पूछना है, तो वो हिचकिचाए नहीं, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, फेलियर आपकी कमजोरी नहीं है। फेलियर यह बताता है कि आप प्रयास कर रहे हैं। अगर आप प्रयास करेंगे तभी तो फेल होंगे ना। तीसरा, कोई भी इशू अगर है, चाहे घर में या आपके ऑफिस में, तो उसके लिए आप खुलकर उस पर बात करें अपने सहयोगियों से और अपने मेल सहयोगियों से भी। उसको दबा के नहीं रखें। चौथा, एम्बिशियस होइए और जो एग्जीक्यूटिव लीडरशिप रोल है सोसाइटी में या फैमिली में भी, तो उसको लीजिए। 5वां, अपने अचीवमेंट के बारे में बात करिए। खुद को एकदम से नीचा मत करके रखिए। खुद को, आपकी जो ग्लोरी है उसको प्रकाशित होने दीजिए। 6ठा, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करिए ताकि लोग ग्रो कर सके। जैसा कि आज हमने देखा कि जेसी रिट की जो महिलाएं हैं, उन्होंने बड़ा ही सुंदर तरीके से एक कार्ट बनवाया है। उसका A to Z सामान जेसी रिट की महिलाओं ने 2 आदिवासी महिलाओं को दिया है, जिनका की नाम है आरती कुजूर और सुमन तिर्की। और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है कि उसके लीगल लाइसेंसेस भी बनवाए हैं जेसी रिट की महिलाओं ने, और स्विगी से उसका अटैचमेंट भी करा दिया है। तो ये इन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ी एग्जीक्यूटिव लीडरशिप का रोल निभाया है। तो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट जेसी रिट जो है उनको, उनके आज के इंटरनेशनल विमेंस डे के जो इतना ग्रेट एंडेवर है इनका, इसके लिए मैं इनको अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा।
International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th of March each year to raise awareness about gender inequality and women empowerment. This 8th March is celebrated globally. That celebrates the social, economic, political and cultural empowerment of women. Each year there is a theme which is associated with Women's Day, and we should know what is the theme. So this year they have crafted a very beautiful theme, that is challenge to change. So if you challenge, then there is an alert and changed atmosphere around you. So if you want to create a changed alert atmosphere around you which suits you, then you have to challenge. So without any challenge there does not come any change. So you know, International Women's Day is not very new thing. It is since 1911 it is being there, its existence is being there, and I don't know whether you people are aware that there are 3 colors with International Women's Day: purple, then green, and then white. White is purity, green is hope, and purple is peace and justice. So we have learned to compromise everything, we women, in our lives. Whatever comes in our lives, we keep accepting, we keep compromising. But then this stereotype behavior of ours needs to be challenged. You need to challenge. If you want a change, what you need to challenge? You need to challenge what you are deprived of. Whether it is your right to education, or it is your right to freedom, your right to take your own decision, your right to voice out your opinion, or your right to live freely and liberally like any other human being in the world. So challenge everything. Challenging something, friends, is the first step to change, bring a change around you. You have to challenge. Now I would like to tell you a few tips. Don't hesitate. Whether you are a girl in a classroom or you are a businesswoman or you are in your club raising hand or just coining a new idea, you have to. Don't think that, oh, I will not be, when I will be totally perfect, then only I will coin this idea or this. Whatever comes in your mind, don't hesitate, just raise your hand. Failure is not a weakness. Because if you are failing, that means you are attempting. There is an attempt. If there is no attempt, there is no failure. So, cultivate confidence to embrace mistakes and transform them into learning experience. Bring issues to light. Whatever issue you have, even at home or in workplace or in any organization, if you have some issue, you can talk about it, whether it is gender inequality or anything which is troubling you, with your partners or even with the men colleagues. Be ambitious and express your goals and ambition and strive for executive leadership role. Like I will give example of Payal. She is not the president or secretary, but she took the executive leadership role. Whenever I used to call, she always used to receive my calls. And she is also this project chairman, right? Surbhi and you. So they have taken the project leadership. So start from taking one or another project, then only you can take the chairperson role. First start taking some role, leadership role. दूसरा है कि talk about your achievement. Don't downplay. Because अगर आप downplay करोगे, people will downplay you. If you are an achiever, then project it and then set this goal and set this an example so that others will follow it and support and help each other to grow. तुम एक दूसरे का support system बनो. Because what Bharti Kashyap you are seeing is not the same Bharti Kashyap who started. Well, when I was a 15-year-old child, I was actually born into a very, very educated family. My family is eye specialist, ophthalmologist from 4th generation. My maternal family, not my Kashyap family, which is my family where I am married to. So, my father and grandfather were very big eye doctors. They were professor, head of the ophthalmology department. But when I was 15-year-old, I lost my father just 2 months before the board exam because of the lung cancer. And 1 month I was without books because I went to that place where my father had died and I was not in that mind, nobody advised me to keep books and I was there 2 months before board examination. 1 month I was there without books. I came back and 15 days I studied and appeared for the exam. Then life kept throwing challenges. That time I was in a very rich and famous family, but then everything suddenly stopped. My father died and before death, he used to write one postcard from AIIMS, New Delhi, where he was admitted for 2 months. So in his last letter, which I got after his death, when I came back for my exam, I received that letter. उसमें postcard होता था. ये ईयर की बात है 1982, तो मेरा 10th का बोर्ड भी नहीं हुआ था. तो उसमें लिखा था, people forget reason. People always remember result. Nobody will remember that your father was sick, so your board examination result is not good. People will always remember result. Reason सब लोग भूल जाते हैं. तुरंत का सिंपैथी हो जाता है, वो बेचारी का तो बहुत बुरा हुआ इसका. But people don't remember reason. They always remember result. After 6 months, that was written in the letter, and it was written that now your younger sister's responsibility is also yours. Not your own responsibility, but your younger sister's responsibility is yours. My sister was only 1 year younger to me. And this was the reason which forced me to take a decision to marry at the age of 19 when I was in first MBBS, and we both the sisters got married in the Kashyap family at the age of me at the age of 19 and my sister at the age of 18. And this was to honor the wish of my father that he wanted to see my younger sister also very well settled. And she was not a professional. I was by that time into medical line. So I made her comfortable and she is now USA in a very happy family, but life could not stop throwing challenges that moment. I was married, and with marriage comes lot of responsibilities. I completed my MBBS, and second, you know, MBBS has three parts. First MBBS, second MBBS, and final MBBS. In second MBBS, after the last paper, 2 hours after the last paper, I underwent cesarean section and delivered a baby boy. And throughout my final MBBS, MS and fellowship in LV Prashad in Konya, I had a small baby with me and the responsibilities of raising a baby with me, because I had no one with me. My mother-in-law was in the USA and my mother was at her home. So there was no one. And medical profession, especially MBBS and then MS, so there was a challenge. Whether you want to be just an MBBS doctor and be content in your family, or you want to rise high. So I kept on accepting the challenge. No, I have to do MS, I have to do fellowship. So I kept doing that, because if you stop, then you are a house simple MBBS doctor. And in this scenario nowadays, who will go to a MBBS doctor? By then I was a seasoned food. तो ये चैलेंज तो करना, ये जो इस बार की थीम है ना, तो चूज टू चैलेंज बहुत अच्छी थीम है, बिकॉज जब तक आप चैलेंज नहीं करोगे ना, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. आपको चैलेंज करना ही होगा. सो आई urge everyone to raise hand and say that we challenge our situation for improvement of ourselves and for the entire society. So please raise your hand, because this is the theme. Raise your hand. And I urge everyone that we will accept challenges and change the world for our improvement and improvement of the society. So I'm just now wrapping up. So happy